This is part 2 of creating a detailed circular saw model inside Blender. Let's get started. We'll add some small details and apply the Subdivision Surface Modifier. Our blade is now complete. Let's move on to modeling the battery. I already have this small shape ready, so we'll begin with that. After adding some loop cuts and performing a few extrusions, we'll adjust its size. We're focusing on just one side. Thanks to the Mirror Modifier, the other side updates in real time. We'll work on even the smallest details to make sure everything looks perfect. I then matched it with the reference image to ensure accuracy. Now we'll clean up the geometry to keep the model neat and optimize. We'll now make sure the loop cuts along the edges are evenly spaced. Next, we'll perform some extrusions to shape the model further. Then, we'll clean up the geometry to keep things neat and organized. Then, we'll adjust any areas that don't quite match the reference. Then, we'll fill in some faces to complete the shape. To fix the geometry, we'll use the knife tool and add some loop cuts. Then, we'll straighten the alignment of these loop cuts. We'll extrude the sides of the battery, just like in the reference. The sides and the back are already modeled, so now we'll work on the top, bottom, and front parts. Then, we'll straighten out the small alignments.